So in this video, we're going to discuss, is it possible to create what you want, to get what you desire without actually feeling it as if it is real? To actually create things, to create your desire without actually be in the visual. I understand, I know that many of you must have at least heard it once or twice. If you are in law of assumption, feel as if it is already done. Feel as if it is already yours. Feel as if it is a done deal. But let me clarify. When Neville spoke, feel as if it is already done, he meant feeling of completion. He did not mean emotion. Many people often mix law of attraction into it. They start thinking it means feeling happy, feeling excited, or just jumpy 24 hours. Neville never said that you have to be happy. That he never said. He never spoke that you need to be happy. Law of assumption do not mean happy, bubbly, excited all the time. Law of assumption only means that what assumptions do you have, the beliefs do you have, what inner talking do you have is what you are showcasing in your life. So from my own personal experience of creating so many things in my life, including the house I live in right now, I can tell you that sometimes feeling as if it is already done is wonderful if you can do it. But is it a necessity? Is it required? And the answer is no. I've never flew a plane. I don't know how it feels to flew a plane. Think about that. Like literally when somebody told me that, okay, feel it as if it's already true. No, I have not done that thing. So I have no idea how to feel it as if it is true. I can, of course, visualize myself doing that, and whatever emotions, feeling comes while doing my visualization or while doing my affirmation or while doing my scripting is something that I could, of course, experience. But it's not possible for me to literally take an experience of being a billionaire, not experience that yet. So I don't know what to do with $1 billion. Like, generally, I have no idea what to do with $1 billion. It's not even my desire. But I'm giving you an example. So all you need to do, all you need to be, is simply watching your thoughts and your assumptions. Because if that is true, that your inner talking is creating your life, is reflecting your life, then it cannot be possible that your thoughts can be negative, your thoughts can be all over the place, that does not support your desire, but you are feeling it real, you are happy, you are bubbly, and that desire come forward. This is not how it works. That's not how it's done. Law of assumption is extremely simple. There's no need to complicate, there's no need to unnecessarily create something out of it which does not imply it. Law of assumption simply means whatever, literally whatever you are assuming, whatever you are telling yourself you are, which mean your thoughts, your inner talkings, that's what is coming forward in your life, in next day, next year, after a month, after 5 months. That's all there is. That's literally all there is. Now, techniques are just a way to get you in a state where you feel for a while that a thing is somehow already done, or you're experiencing it in your life. There are people who I have done sometime when I just felt like it is already done and it created. And I also manifested where I did not thought of those things, but I did work on my identity change. An identity change basically means that you start acting as the person who you want to become. And starting acting as if does not necessarily means to be feeling good all the time, be excited all the time. It simply means that you act as a person who already have their desire. So let me give you an example. For example, if you want to become a person who has $20,000 each month, that's your salary now, like you make $20,000 from your business or whatever, would you be thinking about pennies in that sense? At least mentally. Probably not. So you need to compare yourself like, okay, this is my desire. This is who I am. What inner talkings, what assumption am I having in this area of my life? And you need to be only careful about that. You do not really need to visualize if you cannot do it. You don't need to script 2,000 million times if you don't want to it. Watch what you're speaking to yourself throughout the day is the most important thing that is going to matter. Because what you're telling yourself is what you are becoming. That's all. Whatever you are telling yourself is what you are becoming. So if you tell yourself that I don't have enough, I don't know how I'm going to pay this bill, I don't know what is going to happen, I don't know how many clients I'm going to get next month, and at the same time you're affirming, I'm very rich, I'm very wealthy, I'm very rich, and I'm like, oh my god, my month is about to over, I did not get this much sale, I did not get this thing, oh my god, this is not working, and then you are affirming or scripting or visualizing, you are contradicting your own self. All you need to do, all there is to be done by you, is watch your inner talking. Know what thoughts you are having throughout the day, especially about your desire and in general. Because in general, if you are a negative person deep down, if you put yourself down, if you doubt or whatever, then you need to absolutely work on your self-concept. You really need to work on your self-concept. You really need to work on the subconscious, what assumption beliefs you're having. And again, no, you do not believe in your manifestation. No, you do not need to live as if in your manifestation. You do not need to do anything in your 3D. If you want to do, you can do it, but it is not necessary. I have created it in both ways. Don't do anything to manipulate your 3D. Pick any one technique that you like and watch your inner talking and see your manifestation coming forward. Because law of assumption is simple. Whatever you are telling yourself, most of the time throughout the day, is what you're creating.